Today we discuss about how to join AWPL. It's easy to start. Join AWPL in few steps. Before we proceed, we just know about the AWPL plan, business plan and product plan, because there is important to know the products by which we can do business and know the facts about AWPL, what AWPL do for people welfare. Before we proceed, let's take an overview about Asclepius Wellness Private Limited. Asclepius Wellness Private Limited, established in 9th of November 2014. Asclepius Wellness will celebrate soon 7th of its ceremony at 2021 9th of November. AWPL has its own manufacturing plant, warehouses and head offices, and there is lots of quality products by which uses many of people's. And there is lots of products categorized wellness care, hair care, oral care, beauty care and food supplement with home care products. Now Asclepius is evolving by day with quality product of Asclepius Wellness, as well as payment is very fantastic. You will see the payment option in Asclepius Wellness very highest in the direct selling. In direct selling, Asclepius Wellness doing outperforming, because you just have to start through registration. First step is to start registration. You just have to register yourself in Asclepius Wellness and start working on it. First step is to register yourself as a person. You will get ID and password by which you can log in through Asclepius Wellness website, and you will see the details of your ID, how many people join you, how many people get income, how much you get income, and how you maintain your ID on website panel. And there is lots of option there. You will understand gradually by working in Asclepius Wellness. And you will get toolkit. After that, you have to buy toolkit to know the quality product, to know the business, what's the business about it, and how will you get payment in Asclepius Wellness. Step by step processes, and there are total 18 level. Every level has a certain amount of income. First to 18, you will see the huge growth in income plan, and you will definitely amaze by just seeing the income plan of Asclepius Wellness Private Limited, because the capping you will get, the repurchase income you will get, the incentive you will get, the bonus you will get is totally outperform from your imagination. And there is a leadership which will guide you to achieve this level in easy way. After getting your ID, you just have to select some few products for self-use, because when you use some products of Asclepius Wellness Private Limited, you will get the amazing results, and the result which you get, you will share in some group of people, and from there your business will grow automatically. Whatever the product you want, you can select by your choice. It's an individual choice. You can select wellness care, oral care, beauty care, hair care and home care product. It's your choice, whatever you want to select. There is a benefit of all products which you will use in Asclepius Wellness Private Limited. And there is a leadership, there is a team which will guide you to proceed next level of your leadership quality. And if you have any doubt, you can call and WhatsApp, number in description. I will help you to guide to join AWPL and in grow AWPL, and how to join and how to proceed, ID and toolkit and all these processes. If you don't know yet, then you can just call me and join the AWPL.